Here is a full recipe for ground turkey cooked in a spicy Thai basil style. It is salty, sweet, and spicy, all at the same time. Start your preparation by slicing your vegetables in a julienne cut. Set them aside. Make sure you de-seed the bell peppers. Next, cut the stems off your Thai chilies and cut them into small pieces. Place them in a separate bowl. Mince your garlic cloves and place them in the same bowl as the Thai chilies. Peel out the basil leaves from the stems and place them in a third bowl. It may seem like they are too much, but it gives the dish an aroma that brightens your eyes and excites your taste buds. Going back to the spices, mince your fresh ginger and add it to the chili and garlic bowl. Grab your Kaffir leaves, roll them tightly together and finely mince them, adding them to the spice bowl once done. The last spice is lemongrass. It is imperative that you mince this one as finely as possible, as the outer layer is dry and tough to break down by simply chewing. Finely mincing it will give you that bright citrusy taste and aroma in every bite. Start the cooking process by adding oil to your hot wok. Cook the ground turkey in it till it releases most of its natural juices. Add your spices along with a little bit more oil to get a roasted sear on them. That step will amplify the flavor and aroma they bring to the dish. Next, add your julienne vegetables and toss them in the wok till they start to get soft. Should take about 1 minute. Add some cooking wine. I used a Chinese rice wine, but you can use any white cooking wine. Give it a few tosses to incorporate it in there. Give your stir-fry sauce a good shake. That step will ensure you get all the flavors from the sauce. Measure out about 3 ounces and add it to the wok. Coat it all by tossing it a couple times. Now add some brown sugar to counterbalance the saltiness and spice of the dish. Give it that beautiful brown color with some mushroom soy sauce. Throw in the basil leaves. Indulge in all that aroma steaming out of your wok. Marry all that deliciousness by tossing it around in the wok for about 1 final minute. Turn off the heat, and you are all done. Enjoy it with steamed rice, over garlic noodles, or give it a crunch by having them on lettuce cups. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to check in every now and then for more delicious and easy-to-follow restaurant-style recipes.